In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a key difference between Systeme.io and also GoHighLevel marketing software so that you can make a decision on which marketing software you can get started with. So by the end of it, you'll have a clear understanding and a clear picture of which of these two software aligns with your business model and the future of your business. So without further ado, let's get started. And also subscribe to this channel and also leave a comment or share this video with your friends so that they can be able to know the difference between the two softwares. And I'll also leave a link in description for you to access these tools for your business. So let's get into my presentation and let's now compare the features between Systeme.io and GoHighLevel. Both of these are marketing softwares that will help you automate your marketing and business. So let's start with Sales Funnel Builder. Yes, both offer this service, and for Systeme.io it's more easier for beginners, and I'm also using it for sales funnels, building sales funnel. But for GoHighLevel, it's more advanced with deeper customization and also automation. So if you are looking for a more advanced sales funnel that adds more automation and also customization, you will have to go with GoHighLevel. For Systeme.io, it's more beginner friendly and easier to use. Let's now go to website builder. For Systeme.io, it's simple with blog and landing page support. As you know, Systeme.io focus more on building landing pages, sales funnel, and GoHighLevel website builder is more of full websites, landing pages, and custom menu. So meaning that GoHighLevel is more advanced. Now let's go into email marketing. With Systeme.io, you have access to unlimited emails, automation, tagging, and campaigns. For GoHighLevel, you have multi-channel. So it doesn't focus only on emails. It also has SMS, voicemail, FP, messenger, and automation. So you can see the difference. Systeme.io focus more on email marketing alone, while the other GoHighLevel has SMS, voicemail, and FP messenger. Let's now go to CRM. Basic CRM is included in Systeme.io, but for GoHighLevel, it's more advanced CRM with smart list, pipelines, custom objects, and reporting. Also, the Systeme.io has pipelines and also reporting. Now, this is now what will differentiate Systeme.io from GoHighLevel. That is affiliate management. Systeme.io has a built-in affiliate management system where you can run your own affiliate program. So if you want to start an affiliate program, Systeme.io is the best, but for GoHighLevel they don't have it, so you have to integrate it with third-party tools. So that is the advantage of Systeme.io. Now, online course builder. You can create course and sell courses on Systeme.io, and also they offer membership sites, which was included recently. Also with GoHighLevel, they offer full membership, course management, and unlimited users and video hosting. So GoHighLevel is also a good alternative to Kajabi. So let's now go to marketing automation. Yes, Systeme.io offer workflow, rules, and triggers, and also split testing, but GoHighLevel does it better because it offers advanced multi-channel AI-driven customization. So you will consider this when it comes to marketing automation. If you want a more sophisticated, more advanced customization, go with GoHighLevel. Now let's go to appointment scheduling. There is no native calendar, but you can integrate with external tools when it comes to Systeme.io. But GoHighLevel has a built-in calendar for automating your bookings and reminders, and this will really help you when it comes to setting up bookings for your clients. Now, white label or service as a software. There is no white label for Systeme.io, so you cannot customize it to fit your business. But for GoHighLevel, it comes with a white label, so you can brand this app for your agency. So you can use it as your own, so that your clients can see it as if it is your own software. So you can brand it. You have the license to do so because it is white label. Let's now go to analytics and reporting. Basic analytics and conversion tracking is available for Systeme.io. So Systeme.io is more of beginner friendly, and this is for people who are not technical. And I'm also using Systeme.io because I'm a solopreneur. But for GoHighLevel, it's more advanced, customizable dashboard, roll-up reports, agent reporting. So mostly GoHighLevel is for agencies and people who are interested in building an agency. Let's go now to Marketplace Templates Library. Yes, templates for funnels are available, emails and website. I've been using it. Same case to GoHighLevel, they offer the same. The support is also crucial when it comes to software. So for Systeme.io, we have email, ticket, and they also offer a fast response. Even though they don't have a live chat, I consider the support amazing because I'm using Systeme.io. Now, for GoHighLevel, they offer 24/7 live chat, phone, and community support. So let's now break down on the pricing. So in terms of Systeme.io, you can get started for free, and the top tier, that is the unlimited plan, you pay $97 per month, and you have access to unlimited features, and that is for Systeme.io. The only limit of the free plan is that you can only collect up to 2,000 contacts, 3 sales funnel, 1 blog, 1 course. But for the top tier, you have access to unlimited contacts, sales funnel, blogs, and all the features that are mentioned above. Now let's go to GoHighLevel. They also give you a 14-day free trial. You can check out the link in description to access that. But the entry plan is $97, which is like the top tier of Systeme.io, and their unlimited plan is $297, and they don't offer any free plan like Systeme.io. They only offer 14 days free trial. And for the 97 plan, you are limited to 3 sub accounts and unlimited contacts and users. Now let's go to the top tier, the $297 per month. They offer unlimited access to all features that I've also mentioned above. So the key difference is that Systeme.io offer a forever free plan, but for GoHighLevel, they offer a 14-day trial. So that is the difference. And this is best for agencies or business managing multiple brands, because I also shared with you about the white label, so you can always brand this software in accordance to your clients or brands. But Systeme.io is more of solopreneurs like me. I like it because I can tailor it to fit my business. I do have an agency, so I focus on solopreneurship and helping businesses build sales funnels using Systeme.io, and that is why I chose Systeme.io. Now let's go into user experience and learning curve. Systeme.io is highly praised for its simplicity, intuitive interface, and easy onboarding. Even beginners with little technical knowledge can launch funnels, email campaigns, and courses quickly. It's much easier. There is no complicated steps. So some users mention learning curve to be advanced. For advanced features now, you'll have to go through some technical skills, but it's much easier. It's not that hard because there's no much to be done there. And also the only disadvantage about Systeme.io, they don't offer more advanced customization. So if you are a tech savvy, go for the GoHighLevel because they offer more customization. So GoHighLevel is designed for marketers, agencies offering a powerful suite with deep customization automation. So this is best for marketers and agencies. Steeper learning curve due to advanced features set, but offer extensive training. So even though the learning curve with GoHighLevel is steep, they offer the support and extensive training. And also you will have access to 24-hour support live chat. And if you are a solopreneur, it can be overwhelming. So go for the Systeme.io because it's more simple, and the main thing is sales funnel in Systeme.io. Why should you use Systeme.io or GoHighLevel? So Systeme.io is best for solopreneurs, coaches, consultants, small businesses wanting an affordable and easy to use all-in-one platform. And also if you want to minimize the cost and complexity of your business, then Systeme.io is the best, and you can run email campaigns, build funnel, create courses, and manage affiliates. So if you want to learn to run an affiliate program, then that is the best. Systeme.io is the best. Now GoHighLevel is best for agencies and also advanced CRM automation, white label, and also multi-channel communication like SMS, calls, emails, and messenger. So now you now know the difference between the two and which one is best for your business. Let's now go into the pros and cons of Systeme.io. Then we'll go to GoHighLevel. So one of the advantages of Systeme.io is that it's free forever, but you are also limited to customization as compared to GoHighLevel, and also it's easy to use and beginner friendly. Furthermore, it's an all-in-one platform that is affordable because you can start for free, and we also have another plan that is going for $27, $47.97. So you can see that it's something affordable, less than $100 to run a business in Systeme.io. And also they offer excellent support. Another advantage about the Systeme.io is that they don't have the calendar, built-in calendar, which I told you, and also they offer few integration than GoHighLevel, but I've been seeing them adding more and more features. So if you are just getting started, go with Systeme.io. But if you are already into marketing and you are helping more businesses, then GoHighLevel is the best because it offers advanced CRM, white label, and also multi-channel communication, unlimited users, sub accounts, and 24-hour live support. And also you can have access to the chat live feature in their website. So the only disadvantage about GoHighLevel is more expensive compared to Systeme.io, but it's worth it because of the features that comes with it, because you can customize it to fit your business or agency. And also they don't offer any free plan. So if you don't have money to go with GoHighLevel, then you can consider Systeme.io. And also considering the learning curve, Systeme.io is much easier to use compared to GoHighLevel, but I think GoHighLevel is much better than Kajabi when it comes to utilizing it and also in terms of pricing. Now, I think I've shared with you all the information that you require for you to make the decision on which marketing softwares to go with. And I just want to remind you that solopreneurs who are just getting started, small businesses, Systeme.io is the best. And if you are an agency or you want to scale your business, go with GoHighLevel because it's the best option right now compared to other tools, because they offer at a more affordable price, but they offer more features that you can customize to fit your business and agencies. So in case you got something of value from this video, just comment Yes, and also if you want to learn about building funnels, you can reach out to me so that I can help you build a funnel on Systeme.io. Also, you can check out the link in description to get access to these tools, and I wish you the best as you get started with your business.